Hey guys, 2014 Kia Sorento rear liftgate struts. Pretty simple. We've got this metal clip that's right here. So you're gonna take a small flathead screwdriver and pop that out. And then once it's out like that, it should be released. And then you can just sort of knock that off. And you'll do the same thing to this side down here. You'll just pry that clip open.
When you're gonna do it, you gotta make sure you hold that.
Yeah, you'll want to support the lift of the, you'll support the weight of the lift gate or have somebody hold it. Otherwise, it's gonna kind of fall down on you. It's not so bad because I got that, but this thing's actually pretty heavy. So, but yeah, you'll do the same thing to this side where you just go in with the screwdriver and you just pop that metal tab outwards, and then this will just pop off of the ball. And then as far as installation, pop that on, line this thing up, pop that on, and then you just push these clips back into place, and that's all there is to it. This one's all rusted, so I'm gonna have trouble getting it to go back in, but you get the point. If it's new, it'll already be popped in and it'll just snap on. I don't know, man. Just like that. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.